Today I'm gonna show you the best clone of the Bleame Shopify store. You will see some feature will be a bit different, but I think in general the store look even better than the Bleame store. So first I'm gonna show you how it look on computer and mobile, even for the home page and product page. And after I will show you the section in particular. You will see you have a lot of sections, so I didn't put all on this demo store, but I tried to make it as Bleame, but a bit different too. So I didn't put all the same section as Bleame, but you will see that in a few minutes. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. Here we are, so Bloom, and I will just scroll like that and show you how it looks. But you will see it look really good and even better on mobile. So here we are for the home page and for the product page. It looks like that. So the no app, it's all included in the theme, so all the features, even the bundle there. So this one is a bit less good than the Bleame store, but for the other section I think it's exactly the same or even better, I would say. Of course, there you can put video, GIF, UGC review, before after. This one is exactly like the ones I have, and there you have some scrolling review. You can put image and scroll on the right and on the left, and you can put image wherever you want, extra. I'm gonna show you how it look on mobile. We'll see it look even better, to be honest. I think it look even better than the Bleame store, so I think it's the perfect clone if you want this one. The same theme or almost same as the Bleame store. So here we are. So scrolling like that. Like that. And the product page. Like that. So you even have the stick add to cart. So now we're gonna go on Bleame store and I'm gonna explain you like which things are different and which things are not. So first, I would say this part is almost all same. This banner, we don't have a banner like that. We'll change the color, but we have some gradient banner. We didn't put some button like that. Otherwise, for this image with text, it's exactly like that. You can put it with a review and some description, etc. This one is multi-column section, so every store can have that. So we did not add it, but if you want, you can put it. Every store has that. If you want to put it on the same theme or down theme, you can. This one is normal featured products, and this one some testimonial. We have something like that, but as you see, we put in a different way. So scrolling like that and scrolling on the left, I think it's even better. Of course, the image, they just did some Photoshop, so before after. We did not add this section. This one featured product. We have UGC video, but it's a bit different. It's there. So we have this one with video. We can put video, of course, there, and UGC video is just there. So it's a bit different, I would say. And that's all. We have the FAQ, of course, and all the rest, nothing crazy. And we're gonna see in product page. So of course we have that, the badge, we have the bundle, but as you can see, it's a bit different. I think the bundles they have is already really good. And on our side, we have one. It's not as good as that, but at least it works, and like it works, and I think it's nice. You can even put more offer, of course. So up to 3 offer. And there, but it's almost same. I would say just the FAQs there we put in this way. I feel it's better, to be honest, like that. So we just try to improve it, to be honest. So this section I showed you just before, it was there like that. I put the same video as I said before. It's a demo store, so we didn't put the section. Maybe we will put it, but I don't think the section is that crazy. Before after, we exactly have the same one. We have this one, but in a different way. And then review, etc. You have some comparison table. I'm gonna show you how it look on our side. It looks like, okay, put on the home page. Okay, it looks like that. You can even put some image if you want. And otherwise, we have even one more comparison table. To be honest, we didn't put all the features, so you have a lot more feature in the theme directly. So yeah, if you want, you can put some image like that. swap it all brand, other brand. Of course, you put the project image of your brand, and then some alternatives there. And I'm gonna show you for the comparison table. So you will see you will have one more comparison table, even better maybe. So it looks like that. Like that. So you can put it too, it's already included in the theme. So that's all. I think we already checked all things. So their image with text, nothing crazy. Then review, but they put that with some app. And there, as you can see, there's some sticky add to cart. We have some too. It's a bit different, but it's like that. And that's all. So yeah, I think it's a perfect clone of the Bleame Store. Of course, as I said before, there's some difference, but I think this one looks really good. To be honest, I feel on mobile it look even better than the Bleame Store. So I hope you enjoyed. You will have all the link in the description. So if you want to get this theme and have the exact result as the store or even Bleame Store, you will be able to. So I will put the demo store in the description and even the link to the theme. And I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next one.